Hey YouTube, in today's video, I struggled to fly a bird on my watch and you get a chance to win something and I'll make sure I surprise you. It's been a while since I played with the AMAZFIT base and so I decided to spend some time on it over the weekend, and guess what? You can now install apps and games on the watch. Here's how you do it. For this, you need to have the Android Studio installed on your Mac or PC. You will be using the ADB or Android Debug Bridge and the Android File Transfer application. Both of these are a part of the Android Studio installable. You can Google for it and get it installed from the Android's official website. If you're having trouble with it, leave a note in the description and I'll make a separate video on that. For now, I'm assuming you have it installed. I'm using a Mac to do this now, but it should be the same on Windows as well. My AMAZFIT base is running on 1.3.5, which is the latest as of making this video, and this should work for any version with 1.3.5 or later. Set the watch on your dock and plug it into the USB port. Hit the link in the description to download the folder with the .apk files. Now open the Android File Transfer application. Drag and drop the APK files that you want to install into the File Transfer application inside the download folder. You no longer need this application, so you can close it now. Head into Terminal on the Mac or into the command prompt on Windows. Now type ADB devices and hit enter. If you did everything right so far, this should show the device ID of your AMAZFIT base. Now type ADB shell and it should transfer you into the watch's console. Now navigate into the download directory where you just placed your .apk files. For people who are not familiar with Unix, cd is the command for changing directory and ls is the command for listing all the files and folders. So first type ls and enter. This will list the files and folders on your watch. Now cd SD card to go into the SD card folder. Then ls again to list the files and folders inside the SD card directory. Here you can see the downloads folder. So cd downloads to go into the downloads folder. Now ls again to list the files in that directory. And voila! Here are the files you just downloaded and transferred to the watch. Now type adb install and the file name. The app should get installed on your watch now. You should do the same for the other .apk file as well. Once this is done, you can exit safely. Now on the watch, scroll to the last page in the menu and here you will have the apps you just installed. The calendar app is a little iffy, but I like that you can scroll through it. This is not available by default on the watch. Then for the game. This is a ripoff from the Flappy Birds game that went viral a few years ago. Trust me, it's not the easiest game there is. Quite challenging. If you think you're good at it on the watch, then subscribe to the channel and then take a picture of your highest score on the watch and tweet it with hashtag JoeCage Feb 2018. The highest score by the end of February 2018 will win my next giveaway, and I'll make sure I surprise you. I'll announce the winner and the details of the prize by the first week of March 2018. If you're watching this video after the 28th of February 2018, then sorry, the giveaway is over. For now, I've just tested these two apps. I'll be testing more and I'll keep you posted when I do. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Take care.